Why would they want to do that? Well, there's also some evidence starting to emerge that glutamine can help offset sugar cravings. In brief, we all have neurons in our gut that sense the amino acid content, the fat content, and the sugar content of the foods that we eat and signal in a subconscious way to our brain whether or not the foods that we are eating contain certain levels of certain amino acids. And so we actually have glutamine-sensing neurons in our gut that actually have their little processes, their little axons and dendrites, as we call them, in the mucosal lining of the gut. They're not just sensing glutamine, but when they do sense glutamine, they respond and they send signals to the brain that are signals of satiation, of satisfaction. And in doing so can offset some of the sugar cravings that many people suffer from. So that more or less completes the list of things that, at least by my read of the literature, are things that are supported by at least 3, and in some cases as many as hundreds of studies in various populations that have been explored in mouse studies often, but also in a number of human studies. I want to emphasize again that all of the things I listed out, whether or not it's EPAs, whether or not it's phosphatidylserine, whether or not it's choline, whether or not it's the various compounds that are in berries, et cetera, all of those can be extracted from food. There is not any law that says that you have to get them from supplementation.